morning sa inyo lahat and welcome to Science in Taglish. This is my first video on module number 1 of Science 8, which is earthquakes and faults. Let's start! Okay, ano ba yung mga madidiscuss natin dito in 20 minutes? Number 1, okay, this is a recap of whole module 1, which includes the following: earthquakes, the types of faults and boundaries, elastic rebound theory, focus and epicenter, what's the difference between the two, and intensity versus magnitude. Okay, so aalamin natin kung ano yung mga pagkakaiba ng mga terms na yan in 20 minutes. Earthquakes, let's start. Okay, according to plate tectonics theory, which you will learn more in grade 10, that there are three plates. There are three types of plates. We have convergent plates, transform plates, and divergent plates. Okay, so yun yung different types ng boundaries. Okay, tapos earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground that causes great damage. Okay, so we will answer the following questions. What is an earthquake? It is a sudden and violent shaking. Why is there earthquakes? Because there are faults. Okay, what causes an earthquake? Okay, we have two. Okay, and only two, no? Dalawa lang po yung ating cause, no, ng earthquake. First one is volcanic in nature, and the second one is that it is tectonic in nature. And we will focus on this video on tectonic causes. When will an earthquake occur? Simple lang. Meron ba makakapredict? There is none. No person or object can predict when is the exact date and time when the earthquake will hit a place. Okay, malinaw yan ha. Wala. Miski sino ang pwedeng makaalam o ang pwedeng makapredict kung kailan magkakaroon ng earthquake. So, bakit may earthquake? Because we have this, faults. Okay, we have different types of faults. And what are those faults? We classify them based on their direction of movement. We have strike-slip faults and we have normal and reverse faults. Okay, isa-isay natin. Ang strike-slip fault, simple lang, no? It's a horizontal movement. One goes to the left, the other goes to the right. Okay, in a lateral movement, no? Parallel movement. Okay? So, you can see in the picture, ito yung strike-slip fault. Ngayon, doon naman sa mga dipping faults, doon sa ating mga faults which are vertical, we have hanging walls. We have two parts, no? We have a hanging wall and we have a foot wall. Yung hanging wall, yun yung nasa ibabaw ng fault plane. Yung foot wall, yung nasa ilalim ng fault plane. So, ayan nga, kung titingnan nyo yung picture dyan, so para mas matandaan nyo, kung may umakyat doon sa fault, no, the foot wall is yung tinatapakan, while the hanging wall ay yung sinasabitan. Okay? Basta tandaan nyo lang, lagi, yung nasa ibabaw, yung hanging wall, and yung foot wall, yung tinatapakan. Okay? Bakit meron yan? Because of miners. Okay? Yung mga miners kasi, hinahang nila yung ilaw nila doon sa hanging wall. Tapos nakatapak sila, syempre, sa foot wall. Okay? So, ito yung mga different types of faults, no? We have a normal fault. Okay? Ano yung normal fault? Okay? Yung normal fault, ayan, yung hanging wall bumababa, okay, below. Ngayon, kung reverse naman yung fault, yung hanging wall umaangat. Okay? So, alin doon sa mga boundaries yung magpo-produce ng strike-slip fault? Simple lang, the one that will produce the strike-slip fault is the transform plate boundary. Ang makakapag-produce naman ng reverse fault, kasi umangat eh. So, ibig sabihin, may nagko-converge, no? That is a converging fault. Okay? Or converging boundary. Ngayon naman, kapag normal fault, yan ay usually diverging faults. Types of stress, we have three types of movements. We have compression. Again, yung compression, yung nag-aangat, no? Umaangat ngayon yung hanging wall, which is a reverse fault. Tension, kung nag-iiwalay, that's diverging boundary, and that causes normal faults. And shearing, kapag nagsislip, dumudulas, okay, ang tawag naman natin dyan, strike slip or transform plate boundary. Ito na ngayon yung elastic rebound theory. Look at the GIF. Faults form because of stress and strain. If you have done the activity on the ruler, so nagbe-bend siya, tapos there would come a time na magbe-break siya. Yun yung stress and strain. Yung stress kapag push or pull lang. Yung strain kapag nag-change na yung shape. Okay? So, nagsisimula siya lahat sa stress, tapos kapag na-reach niya yung elastic limit niya, nagkakaroon ngayon ng strain. And this is what we call elastic rebound theory. Okay? Tingnan niyo yung graph. So, kapag tumataas yung stress, okay, over time, darating yung punto, magkakaroon siya ng strike. Okay? Magkakaroon siya ng strain. Okay? Kasi magbe-break because of stress. Tapos magbe-build up ulit, tapos magbe-break. That is elastic rebound theory. Nakikita nyo, no? Nagsisimula siya cracks lang. That is stress. Tapos, kapag na-reach nyo na yung kanyang breaking point, that is strain. Elastic rebound theory. Focus and epicenter. Ano pinagkaiba ng focus and epicenter? Ang focus nasa ilalim ng lupa, ang epicenter nasa ibabaw. Directly above. The focus is the point within the earth, while the epicenter is a location on the earth's surface. Sir, pwede bang pareho yung focus? Kung saan yung focus, yung fault plane, doon din yung epicenter. Yes, kung diretso. Kung hindi, magkaiba yung fault plane tsaka yung epicenter. The fault plane is the flat surface along where there is slip during an earthquake. So ito, magkapareho yung focus tsaka epicenter. Alright, so active inactive. Pag sinabi nating active yung fault, nakakapag-produce pa siya ng earthquake. So may stress and strain pa. Kapag inactive, dehins na. O, anong tawag natin panukat ng lakas ng isang lindol? Seismometer. Ano yung napoproduce niya? Seismograph. Okay? At yun yung binabasa ng ating mga seismologist para masukat yung magnitude ng lindol, which is measured in the Richter scale. Comparison, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng intensity tsaka magnitude? Characteristic, ang intensity, it is a descriptive scale. Okay, this is the severity of earthquake shaking that uses a descriptive scale. So may nagde-describe, it is subjective to a person. Magnitude, it's the amount of seismic energy released by an earthquake that uses quantitative. Quali yung isa, quanti yung isa. Measuring tools, sa intensity, ano gamit natin? PEIS, Philippine Earthquake Intensity Scale. Magnitude, Richter Magnitude Scale. Symbols used, sa intensity mapapansin nyo Roman numeral. Sa magnitude, Indo-Arabic yung numbers. So, just a recap, pag magnitude ang gamit natin Richter scale. So binabasa nila yung amplitude, yung taas ng mga waves, tapos pag titingnan nila kung times 10 ang times 10, doon nila masusukat yung magnitude, yung energy ng lindol. So dito, pakita lang natin, the Richter scale is 10 times stronger than the previous level. So for example, yung ating magnitude ay 2.0, tapos yung next ay 4.0. Yung 4.0 is 100 times stronger. Why? Because from 2.0 to 3.0, 10 times. 3.0 to 4.0, another 10 times. 10 times 10, 100 times. Wala pa namang nare-record na earthquake na epic. Wala pa. Awa ng Diyos. So, a Richter scale was used to measure an earthquake and a magnitude of 5.6 was obtained. What would be the magnitude of an earthquake 1,000 times stronger? So, 5.6, 6.6, 7.6, 8.6. That's 10 times 10 times 10. An earthquake with magnitude 7.0 is blank as big as 5.0. Paano? 5.0 to 6.0, 10. 6.0 to 7.0, another 10. 10 times 10, 100. Magnitude and intensity, again, just to recap, intensity, how strong the earthquake, and magnitude is related to the energy source. So, paano ba natin nasusukat yung intensity? Again, this is based on observations and the amount of damage done to a certain locality. It depends on the distance to quake, geology, type of building, and the observer itself. No, kung observer ay nakita niya ganito, so dapat may mag-confirm na another observer na ganito talaga yung nangyari. So, is it possible to have greater magnitude but lower intensity or vice versa? Yes. So, kunwari, kahit malayo ka sa lindol, pero ikaw mismo o yung bahay nyo ay nakatayo sa sand, no? Mas malaki yung damage. So, mas mataas yung intensity kahit malayo ka dun sa epicenter. PEIS, you have role-played this. Ano ba yung PEIS? Philippine Earthquake Intensity Scale. Ito yung pumalit sa Rossi-Forel tsaka sa Mercalli Scale. Ano ito? So, 1 is Roman numeral 1, scarcely perceptible. 2, slightly felt. 3, weak. 4, moderately strong. 5, strong. 6, very strong. 7, destructive. 8, very destructive. 9, devastating. Yan na yun. And the last one, and we don't hope for this, completely devastating. Alright, so that's it, no? That's the summary of the lessons of module number 1 in Science 8. Okay, and that is Earth Science. And I hope that you have learned something today. Okay, good luck sa inyong mga quizzes and may God bless you. If you have any questions about module number 1, you can comment it down in the comment section below. God bless you and gawayan kayo ng Diyos sa inyong quiz bukas.